Hello everybody, today's Monday, March 8th, 2021, 71 degrees Fahrenheit, and that is 22 Celsius in Clearwater, Florida. So right now I'm going to take a drive down to Clearwater Beach's main area where all the resorts are and hotels, and we'll take a look. The time right now is 3:49 p.m. So let's start driving. So I believe this is Mandalay Avenue. Looks like I'm free to make a left turn right now. I'm gonna go to Court Street and then make my way across to the bridge over to Clearwater Beach. I'm right now driving a Toyota Camry that I just rented out from the Budget here in Clearwater. Court Street's the next signal, so the brakes work very well on this car. It's my first time driving it. It's pretty smooth. Here in Florida, it's legal to make a right turn on a red signal, but not all the time is it easy to do so. Okay, they were able to. Okay, I can go now. Nobody's going. Oh, there's a right turn only. Let's get on this lane. Don't want to make a right turn up there. So this is South Fort Harrison Avenue and I'm on Court Street. So far I wasn't really impressed too much with Clearwater's downtown. There were a lot of high-rise buildings and a few restaurants, but there weren't too many people in the downtown area. I just finished a live stream and there weren't too many people to talk about, but Clearwater Beach I was really impressed with, and this will be a nice ride over there, so let's go check it out. So this is South Osceola Avenue and this is Oak Avenue. So I want to stay in the right lane here because after this bridge I want to make a right. That's where that main strip is, where all the hotels. But you're going to probably see it on camera now, all the cars here with this nice little bridge. Look at that beautiful view of all the hotels in the distance. Nice palm trees. This is one of my favorite bridges so far. You can see right here they have a speed indicator. Looks like we might be heading into some traffic. This will be a nice little area to ride a bicycle on over here, although there is not really too much shade. I try not to ride too close to the cars in front of me so the camera gets a better view. Also, it's better for safety because I have more time to react to any kind of sudden changes up ahead. Okay, so this car is gonna make a right turn over here. That's not where I want to go. Hopefully this camera doesn't get too hot and shut off, because I've had that happen before. Alright, now we're crossing over the final bridge into Clearwater Beach, and you can just see all those hotels on the right there. They're amazing. This is one of my favorite areas of Florida so far, right by the Gulf of Mexico, Clearwater Beach, as you can see with the sign over there. Let's slow up a little bit. So North Beach parking is to the right, and also the visitor center as well. Here's the roundabout. We have to yield to people already in the traffic circle. Okay, I'm making a right here onto Mandalay Avenue. And this is the main strip of Clearwater Beach. I'll try to drive as slow as I can with respect to the traffic behind me, of course, so you can all get a glimpse of this amazing area. I had a dessert at this place to the right here called Kilwins. It was delicious. I had it on a live stream. It was a mint chocolate chip ice cream waffle bowl. And it was so good, I even got a little bit of ice cream on my nose. Oh, we got some trouble here. No one's in my blind spot. I guess I'll drive all the way to the top of Clearwater Beach. Why not, right? This is a pretty nice area. Over here they have the yield to pedestrian warning lights. Whenever someone pushes the button, those lights go on. Yeah, just a little bit of traffic here, huh? Now, after this little stretch over here, most of the big hotels, they phase out. I don't think there's too many more tall buildings going this way after this block. But we'll check it out. On the beach, there's a lot more people. You have to see the beach and the live stream that I did when I went to the beach. The speed limit's only 25 here. It's a very residential community. They don't want people to be going too fast. Not that I can anyway. There's red lights here. There's a good place here called Frenchie's Restaurant. They've even got a webcam you can see, and people were able to see me on my live stream at Frenchie's. And there's another restaurant also to the left, not in this area, but it was opposite of Frenchie's across the parking lot, which was really good too. It was known for its live music. And when I went to the parking lot here, I saw the parking was $3 per hour to park at Clearwater Beach. Look at that, reference to Canadians to my right, Royal Canadian Motel. Oh, look at this. This is residential only. Am I even allowed to go in here? Oh no, how do I get out of here? Maybe I'll just go around the roundabout then, because I don't want to go through this residential area when it's clear that I can't park here or anything. It's okay. We'll just show more of downtown. A little bit of a tricky circle there, but no problem for me. Don't know what that car was beeping about. Looks like we stopped in a good place. Now you get to see all the views of downtown at Baymont Street and Mandalay Avenue. This place looks kind of cool. Clear sky. Beachside cafe. Whenever these pedestrian signals go up, I'm a little bit more aware. I don't see anyone crossing, so we're good. Wow, look at all those people crossing. It's definitely a busy area. So we're gonna go back to the traffic circle again, I believe. But this time I'm going to take it to the other side and not make a turn. A little bit tricky here. Left lane needs to yield to the right lane. So what I need to do is, I can't go right there, is it was kind of tricky. I'll just go around the traffic circle and I'll make my way to the other side. It'll be a lot safer to do it that way. Okay, I'm going around again.